All right, so this is a review over factors, common factors, and the greatest common factor. So, I know a couple of you guys, Elijah has already done it. So Elijah, you're gonna have to be a big help for us, okay?
I did too.
Good. They did number 8 and 12. So we see the pairs of factors. 1 times 8 equals 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. And the factors are 1, 2, 4, and 8 for 8. Right, Keaton?
Yep.
So for pairs of factors for 12, we have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Okay? So then their factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. What is the common factors between those two numbers, Elijah?
A 1, a 2, and a 4, and the greatest common factor is 4.
I didn't ask for the greatest common factor yet. But yes, you're right. 1, 2,
Mr. Morter,
and 4.
do we have to circle them?
Nope, I'm just circling them to show you.
Okay.
So then Elijah said the 1, 2, and 4 are the common factors. And how do we know what the greatest common factor is, Steve?
We look at the biggest number.
It is the biggest common factor number, yes. So the greatest common factor is 4. They also did 12 and 20 for us, but they didn't give us the common factors. Dougie, can you help me with the common factors? What are the common factors for 12 and 20?
There's 1,
Uh-huh.
2, and 4.
Any other numbers?
No.
No. So you could write 1.
Biggest one
2.
is 4.
Yes, so the greatest common factor is 4. Now, I will need help, Steve, with number 6. They gave us the pairs of factors, 1 times 6 and 2 times 3, and then 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. Can you give me the factors for 6?
1, 2, 3, 6.
1, 2, 3, 6. Very good. Kaden, give me the factors for 18.
1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18.
Yes. What is the common factors for 6 and 18, Elijah?
Oh, for 6 and 18.
Uh-huh.
1, 6, 2. Wait, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 6.
1, 2, 3, 6. Yes.
1, 2, 3.
And not 9?
9, 18. Wait,
How about 9?
1, 2. I know it's 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, but then 1, 2, 3, 6.
Yes, I was trying to trick you.
What?
All right.
That.
Dougie, what is the greatest common factor for 6 and 18? 6. Yes, very good. All right. I will need help with this multiplication, Steve. Multiplication, pairs of factors for 9.
1 times 9.
Uh-huh.
3 times 3.
And 3 times 3. Very good. Kaden, factors for 21.
1 times 21 and 3 times 7. Or 7 times 3. Doesn't matter which way.
You want to always have the smaller number on the left. Okay, good job. And is there any other ones?
Nope.
No. So, Dougie, could you give me the factors for 9?
Yes. 1 and 3. That's
If
it.
we do the last
Wait.
one.
For 9?
Oh,
What about the poor
Oops.
9?
I got confused. Sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
1, 3, 9. I already
Very good.
did all of it.
Oh, good.
The rest.
Then can you do 21 for me?
And 1, 3, 7, 21, and then it's 1, 3, and then the biggest number is 3.
Very good. The biggest number. The greatest common factor is 3.
Mrs. Morter,
Yes, Elijah.
I got the last one.
You got the last one? You want to do it for me?
I kind of
Okay.
wanted to do it.
1 times 15 and 3 times 5.
15, yes. 3 times 5.
Then it's 1 times 30 and 2 times 15.
Oh, 1 times 30. 2 times 15.
And 7 times 5.
5 times 7, right?
5 times 7, sorry.
No, it's okay. You're learning. Good
I
job.
didn't write 2 times 15.
So, Elijah, could you tell me the factors for 15? Did I miss one?
7 is 35. It's 6.
Hayden.
It's 6 times 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm wondering why he said
Very
that.
good.
I know.
Yeah, I saw
5 times 6. Yes.
You're lucky you would have got it wrong.
All right, be kind. All right, let's do factors. Elijah, give me the factors for 15.
What is our 15? 1, 2, 5, 15. Then 1, 2, 5, 6, 15, 30.
What?
15.
1, 2, 5,
Yep.
Where's 30?
Because 2 times 15. 5.
15.
I think the 30 is the biggest factor you guys have had to do.
Yeah.
What about 3 times 10?
It's, wait, 3 times 10?
Steve, did we miss 3 times 10?
Yeah. There's
Yes.
way too many.
Yeah, there's way too many.
We can't even fit them in the box.
Well, you gotta write smaller. All right, let's try it again.
Oh no, I need to get my eraser
Let's
out.
erase this all.
So
I have to erase everything. We have to catch up.
3 times 10
One.
and
1,
5 times what, Kaden?
3,
Huh?
2,
5 times what?
6.
Thank you. 5 times 6.
6.
Oh boy.
I think
So,
I'm gonna
I can't
do
see.
6.
1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
6,
5,
1, 2, 3,
15,
5, 6,
30.
Could I fit it?
6.
I think, but you can barely even see it.
So you can't see it?
I'm writing them down right
And then it's
now.
1.
Okay.
Then it's 1, 3. Wait, no, it's
Gotta be kidding
It's
me.
This is way too many
All right.
factors.
Listen.
Yes.
Listen. So 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, and 5 times 6. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Steve, could you give me the common factors between 15 and 30?
1, 3, 5, 15.
1, 3, 5, 15. Very good. Steve, what is the greatest common factor?
15.
15.
I made it.
Thumbs up if
That was the
you got
biggest
all of that.
one.
I barely even got that.
Yeah, that is the
Barely.
biggest
No,
one.
I missed 3 times 10. That
How
was
did
tricky.
you miss that?
You're Chuck E. Cheese.
All right.
Yes, something's fun.
Chuck E. Cheese got shut down. That's so not.
We are going to determine the greatest common factor between 2 numbers.
I like that.
You're going to have to try to work the factoring mentally. If you can't, that's okay. I'll give you some scrap paper.
What's that?
But we have 12 and 13. And you see GCF, that means greatest common factor. So, okay, Kaden. Thank you. Let me do the first one with you and you will do the rest. So, Elijah, what is the greatest common factor between 12 and 15? What do you think?
15.
Well, 15 can't be the greatest common factor because you have 12 and 12 is smaller than 15. So what are the factors for 12? 1.
1 times 12 and 2 times 6.
1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4, right? What about 15? 1 times 15
And 3 times 5.
and 3 times 3 times 5, right?
And then 15 times 1.
Yes. So what would be the greatest common factor between 12 and 15, Steve?
3.
3. Yes.
3.
Did that make sense, Dougie?
No.
Not
Okay.
at all.
No, not at all to me.
I know the way it's written is kind of confusing because it looks like fractions.
Yeah, you're easy. Yeah, I am totally not.
Okay,
The next one's gay.
let's
I
do
get
this.
it now.
Yeah.
So you
2.
I
I'm
know
gonna
it's
do. Listen. for 2, you can do 1 times 2, right? That's the factors for 2.
That's the only factor.
What's the factors for 6?
2 times 3.
1 times 6 and 2 times 3. What's the greatest common factor between these?
Oh.
2.
2. That make a little bit more sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That makes a little more.
Getting a
Let
little
me
closer.
let me do C with you. C. 5. What's the greatest common factors for, or what's the factors for 5, Steve?
1, 5.
Yeah, 1 times 5. And Dougie, what's the factors for 10?
1 times 10.
5.
Yep, 1 times 10 and
And 2 times 5.
2 times 5. So, what's the greatest common factor between those two numbers? 5. Okay?
I need to.
So, you guys are going to do the rest of those greatest common, gentlemen, settle. You're going to do the rest of those factoring with the greatest common factor. You're going to follow the signs for 3. For 4, you're going to solve the story problems. And then the back of the page is all review. So there's division, there's choosing the correct answer. On that side of the green box, it gives you options, and you choose which one. Averaging, and then do homework. If it's green, you do not need to do it.
Yay.
And we have about 5 minutes, and then we will eat snack. Well, no. In 5 minutes, Kaden, you leave for music, and then in 15 minutes, we'll eat snack. And then you can have snack when you come back, okay? All right. That is all. You guys may begin. Work hard, okay?
Thank you.
And 3rd grade, we are going to look at language in just a moment.